Now, how many of you love to shop? How many of you love to shop for cars? Okay, maybe not so many. Well, good news. Automotive expert Emma Hancock is here with a fresh perspective on how to shop for vehicles and a cool partnership to boot. Emma, you were speaking my language.
Well, Tracy, you're not alone. People are looking for a new way to shop for cars. So I'm super excited to talk to you about this today. Believe it or not, this has been a dream of mine for many years. Why? Well, because until now, the only way to take a closer look at a vehicle you're interested in involved leaving home. So that's about to change, and it's going to be all about you from the comfort of home.
Okay, that sounds like heaven to me. Emma, tell us a bit more about this.
Yeah, well, I've teamed up with TSC and Genesis Motors Canada, and we're bringing Canadians all across the country a new way to shop for cars. And Genesis is really the perfect partner for this. They're doing things differently, and, you know, they're really bringing luxury to a whole new level. Their vehicles are phenomenal inside and out, and, you know, they really have a brand that's been created with, you know, an entirely new customer experience that's actually quite revolutionary. I mean, we'll get into that experience in a second, but Tracy, I know you've got your own GV70 in there. I mean, isn't this gorgeous? This is the first ever Genesis GV70. It's literally just arrived. We're one of the first to see it, and this vehicle has truly wowed me. Everything from the technology to the design, you know, just such a sense of power, and it's just such a pleasing vehicle to be in.
Absolutely. Yes, I've sat in her. She is gorgeous inside and out. The grille, the rims, the fact that the interior is red, like sexy. So tell me about the ownership experience that you mentioned.
Oh boy. Okay. Well, you're going to love this. I mean, first and foremost, Genesis understands, you know, what the luxury shopping experience is all about, and they understand the value of time. Okay. They understand the value of your time. So they figured out that, you know, when it comes time to take a test drive, that maybe we would like to do that from home. So they'll bring the vehicle to you. They figured out that, you know, not everyone enjoys negotiating their car purchase, and that a lot of us would prefer to get the same fair deal. So Genesis is doing that. You know, they figured out that a lot of us would like to take delivery of our vehicle, you know, from the comfort of home. So they'll do that. They even figured out that for service, a lot of us, you know, we don't really want to wait for a car for service. So, you know, they'll come and pick it up, and then they'll bring it back to you when it's done. You know, they even figured out that, you know, wouldn't it be nice if for the first 5 years, you know, there's no service surprises, and that the scheduled maintenance is included. You know, they even figured out that, you know, if we have questions or comments about our Genesis, we don't really want to spend time tracking down the salesperson that sold the vehicle, and that, you know, wouldn't it be nice to have a concierge? Well, Genesis is doing that. Give you a VIP concierge who's available by phone or email. It's really first class all the way.
Oh my goodness, this test drives coming to your house, the delivery of the car coming to your house, the idea of not going in for service checks, someone just picking up the vehicle. This is all incredible. So they're really thinking about the car buyer of the future. So you mentioned this gorgeous car. Can you tell us a little bit more about it, Emma?
Yeah, well, Tracy, I mean, you've got your beautiful GV70 in there, and I know you can see this. This is the very latest luxury SUV on the market. So when I think luxury, you know, the first thing I think about is style. You know, the very best luxury products, what they have is they're beautiful to look at. And the GV70 is beautiful to look at. You know, from the first moment that you see it, you're seeing that refinement, you're seeing that elegance, you're seeing that, you know, like I said, that sense of power. And then you go inside, and I know you've seen the inside, you've got a red interior. I mean, it's another wow. It's over the top. For me, it's like nothing I've ever seen before. It's opulent. And I think Genesis, you know, they really understand that the inside of a vehicle is as important, if not more important, than the outside. We spend so much time, you know, inside of our vehicles, and often it can be like kind of an underwhelming experience, but Genesis is changing all of that.
Absolutely. Okay, so I want to talk to you a bit about technology. And I know that we're in the era of technology and you want that tech happening in your car, but I find it a little intimidating if it is over the top. You need it to be user-friendly. And I'm sure I'm not alone in thinking this, am I?
No, you're not alone. I'm with you. Like, I'm only interested in technology that's simple, easy to use, you know, technology that adds value to my life. There's so many great examples of that on the GV70. One in particular, which I've come to love, it's called called the Remote Smart Parking Assist. Tracy, I know you drive a lot. I drive a lot. And, parking is not really one of the fun parts, especially in the city. So, the GV70 will literally park itself. It will park itself parallel spots, parking lot spots. You can be doing it while you're in the vehicle, or you can have it finish when it, and come outside of the vehicle. I kind of feel like it's like having your own valet. Those days when you're tired, you get home from work and you're like, you know what? Park yourself. So the GV70 will park itself. It's pretty incredible. Another move that parking assist does is, let's say you have parked your GV70 perfectly, or it's parked itself perfectly, and you come back, you've done your shopping, you come back, and then someone hasn't parked so perfectly, and they've left you, like 4 inches between your car and their car. So you have, you can either try and wedge yourself between the cars and risk scraping your door. You don't have to do that anymore. So one of the moves that feature has is, very quickly within the fob, 3 steps, you're going to have the vehicle actually come out to you. It will move forward or backward to around 10 to 12 feet. So, it's like basically door lock, ignition start, forward or backward move, and voila, the vehicle will just come right out to you. And, you get in, you put your groceries in, and you're on your way, and your GV70 is pristine, and it likes to stay pristine.
Oh my goodness. And all of the work going into making sure it stays pristine. Like, I'm one of those people, I turn down the radio when I parallel park. I need that. That is so good. So this is the future. And I think that moving into the future, it's important that the way we shop keeps pace with the needs of consumers, right, Emma?
100%, I agree. We're all here for this, right, Tracy?
We are here for this. Emma, thank you so much for joining us today. You can tune in to today's Shopping Choice tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern for much more in-depth coverage of this never-been-done-before partnership between Genesis and TSE. Visit cityline.tv for all the details from this segment and a link where you can take advantage of the special offer.